The question says arrange the following fractions in descending orders. That means to say that the question wants us to put the largest fractions on the left, followed by the smaller one, all the way to have the smallest fraction on the extreme right hand box here. Okay, first and foremost, take a look at all the individual fractions and their denominators. We have 36, 9, 18, 12, and 6. And notice that the largest denominator 36 is divisible by all the other numbers, other denominator numbers. That means to say we can take 36 to be the lowest common multiples of all these numbers. Alright, or in other words, we want to convert all the fractions to having denominator 36. Then we can compare the numerators. Alright, so first and foremost, for 23 over 36, we don't need to do anything, so we leave it as it is. And then for the fraction of 7 over 9, to get the denominator of 36, we got to multiply 9 by 4. As we do that, we do the same thing to the numerator, so we get 28 over 36. For the next fraction, 13 over 18, to get 36 denominator, we got to multiply it by 2. So we do the same thing to the numerator, so we get 26 over 36. To the next, 7 over 12, to get 36, we got to multiply it by 3. So we do the same thing to the numerator, and therefore we get 21 over 36. Lastly, for 5, 6, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, so we get 30 over 36. Now we have a common denominator of 36 here. So all that we have to do is to compare the numerators. And to remind ourselves, we want it in descending order. So we want the largest numerator to be on the extreme left hand box. Okay, we have 23, 28, 30, 26, 21, and 30. 30 being the largest, so we're going to put out 30 over 36, which corresponds to 5 over 6. Then we put out 28 over 36, which corresponds to 7 over 9. And then 26 over 36, which corresponds to 13 over 18. And 23 over 36. And lastly, 7 over 12. And therefore, this is the correct arrangement order that the question is seeking for. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.